The spa is located on the 12th floor of Central World, but it is not in the mall but in the office area. The elevator to the office is not easy to find. I heard that there is an elevator dedicated to the office area on the first floor that can go directly to the 12th floor. We went up from the mall area on the 7th floor after walking on the street. There is an elevator in the corner of the shoe area, but you can't go up from this elevator. You have to look to the left and there is a door where you can see an elevator. That is the elevator to the office area. The response time for making an appointment is super fast. The confirmation letter has a video of the arrival location. It's easy to get there. The location is super convenient. It is recommended to arrive 15 minutes early to enjoy the welcome tea and choose your favorite essential oil. I chose the Benji Therapy, 60 minutes, which is super comfortable and my body is really soothed. The bath supplies are all homemade products. The scenery is very good. It is a very comfortable and relaxing place. The service quality of the service staff is also very high. I will consider coming again. The environment is comfortable, and the welcome drink tastes good. The only downside is that the indoor air conditioner is too cold. Clean and neat environment with gentle receptionist. Always smiley greeting. Female masseur did very good job in an isolated massage room with change room inside. Unfortunately toilet is located outside, therefore it is inconvenient whenever you wish for nice and comfy Thai massage. Comfy massage bed. Need extra time to find the location, need to get to the department store 7th floor and take elevator from there to 12th floor. Would love to head back for Dusit massage again. Saw that there is 120 minutes massage but Klook offer up to 90 minutes. Klook could consider providing 120 minutes option for us. The location is convenient. The confirmation email has instructions on how to get to the store. The environment is clean, bright and comfortable. The massage gestures are in place and the aromatherapy oil smells good. Take the Sky Bridge at Chit Lam Station to enter the 2nd floor of Central. You have to go to the corner and go to the elevator of the Central Tower office building. Press 12M to find the floor where Harnn is located. The environment is beautiful and the aromatherapist is very skilled. All supplies are Harnn's own products, very comfortable, relieve stress. After searching in Central World, I found the elevator to the spa floor. The spa has a good sense of space, quiet and comfortable, and the foot massage was also arranged in the treatment room, which was a very enjoyable 1 hour. The massage oils used smells amazing. Good value with voucher. The only problem was looking for the place. I walked around the whole Central World and asked 5 customer service counters and only one knew where it was. The rest just sent me on a wild goose chase. Wasted 45 minutes of my time. Lucky I was early so made it about 5 minutes. Experience was wonderful. Place was great with beautiful interiors, and very clean too. The massage was also good. Great experience. The spa is located on the 12th floor and you have to enter from the side the Central World. No complaints whatsoever. Email Harnn in advance to book a package, and Harnn will reply on the same day, confirm the booking and then buy the Klook package, and then do the final confirmation with Cappy Harnn. The whole process is convenient. The location of the Central World Tower is difficult to find because it is too big, but ask the security channel to teach you how to do it, and you will see the